In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify order in MT4. By the end, you'll confidently adjust a trade's stop loss, take profit, or, if it's a pending order, its entry price, without closing or reopening anything. This is a core MT4 skill that helps you manage risk and lock in profits as market conditions change. First, open the terminal so you can see your active trades. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. The terminal appears at the bottom of the platform and shows your balance, exposure, account history, and, most importantly for this task, your live positions and pending orders. If the terminal is already visible, you're all set. Next, make sure you're on the Trade tab inside the terminal. This tab lists every open position and any pending orders, along with symbols, sizes, prices, stop loss, take profit, and current profit. Take a moment to identify the exact order you want to change so you don't accidentally edit the wrong position. Now, right-click the order you want to modify. This opens a context menu tailored to that specific ticket. Be careful here. Confirm the symbol and direction of the trade before proceeding, especially if you have multiple similar orders. Choose Modify or Delete Order. This brings up the order window where changes happen. You'll see input fields for stop loss and take profit. If the order is pending, you'll also see the price at which it will trigger. Think of stop loss as your safety net that caps potential loss, and take profit as your target that captures gains automatically. Both are set as price levels. Enter your new stop loss and take profit values. For a buy position, the stop loss must be below the current market price and the take profit above it. For a sell position, it's the opposite. If you're adjusting a pending order, update the pending order price to the level where you want it to activate. Use precise pricing, and remember, your broker may enforce a minimum distance from the current price. If your levels are too close or the market is closed, the platform may reject the change. When everything looks correct, click Modify to confirm. You should see a confirmation in the terminal, and the new levels will appear in the Trade tab and on your chart as horizontal lines. Always double-check the updated values to ensure they match your plan. That's it. Open the terminal, go to Trade, right-click the order, choose Modify or Delete Order, adjust stop loss, take profit, or the pending price if needed, then click Modify. Practice on a demo account if you're new, and always verify your risk before you confirm.